Hello, my name is Matt. I'm an owner of US Waterproofing, a third-generation family-owned business servicing the Chicagoland area since 1957. In a prior video, I talked about the many reasons why you'd want to consider installing an interior drain tile system. Today, I'm going to talk about 7 reasons why you might not want to consider installing an interior drain tile system in your basement. Number 1, if you have water coming through cracks in your poured concrete foundation walls, they can be simply sealed as long as you know for sure that is the source of your seepage problems. Number 2, if you have water coming in through window wells, in such an instance we can install a drain, we can actually put in a cover, or even replace the corrugated well if it's necessary. Number 3, if you have water coming through above ground source such as from a roof, a chimney, or your windows, an interior drain tile system might catch that water seeping down the walls, but you'd be better off hiring a contractor who deals with those specific repairs. Number 4, if you have water coming in through a floor drain because you're having sewer backup, or let's say you have a water heater leaking, plumbing repairs and sewer repairs will not be resolved by an interior drain tile system. Number 5, if you have a highly finished basement, let's say it is carpeted with a lot of tongue and groove paneling and several built-ins, while those items can be removed, it can be costly to remove and put those items back. Number 6, installing an interior drain tile system can be disruptive because we are using a jackhammer to open the floor. If there is no way you could tolerate any noise or dust, you might want to consider an alternate method. Lastly, and number 7, is if you don't have the budget for installing an interior drain tile system. Typically, a drain tile system could cost thousands of dollars, at the low end $3,000 to $4,000, or up to $10,000 to $15,000, depending on a number of different factors of your home. If you just have seepage coming from an isolated area and not from beneath your floor, you might want to consider another method. To learn more about interior drain tile and the many different services we offer, please visit our website at uswaterproofing.com. Thank you.